Want to turn on NFC on your iPhone and start scanning tags right away? First, confirm that your device supports NFC. Any iPhone 6 or later includes the necessary hardware. Next, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap Automation, then tap Create Personal Automation. Scroll down or use the search field to find and select NFC. When prompted, tap Scan and hold the top rear edge of your iPhone next to an NFC tag reader until you see NFC tag detected. Give your tag a name and tap Done. On the next screen, tap Next again, then add action if you want your phone to perform something whenever it reads that tag. If you simply want to test NFC, you can leave it blank and disable Ask before running so the tag triggers automatically. Tap Done to save your new automation. From now on, your iPhone will listen for that specific NFC tag and run your automation whenever it comes into range. If you'd rather scan tags on demand without creating an automation, add the built-in NFC tag reader to Control Center. Open Settings, tap Control Center, then scroll down and tap the plus icon next to NFC tag reader. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap the NFC tag reader icon. Hold the top rear edge of your iPhone next to any NFC tag, and you'll see a notification as soon as it's read. That is all there is to it. You're now ready to read and interact with NFC tags on your iPhone. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite NFC use case in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.